Describe an occasion when you got incorrect information. One day, I was planning to meet my friend at a new restaurant that had recently opened in town. I had heard great things about it and was excited to try their food. I decided to call my friend to confirm the location and time. When I called my friend, she enthusiastically told me that the restaurant was located near the city center and that it had a beautiful outdoor seating area. She also mentioned that they had a live music performance that evening, which made me even more excited about the visit. Based on the information my friend provided, I decided to head to the restaurant later that evening. However, when I arrived at the supposed location, I couldn't find the restaurant anywhere. I walked around the area for a while, but it was nowhere to be seen. Confused and a bit frustrated, I decided to call my friend again to double-check the address. That's when I realized that she had given me the wrong information. The restaurant was not near the city center but was actually on the other side of town. Feeling a little disappointed, I quickly checked the correct address on my phone's map app and made my way to the actual location. Thankfully, I managed to arrive just in time for our reservation. Although it was a bit frustrating to receive incorrect information, I tried to stay positive and not let it ruin my evening. In the end, I enjoyed a delicious meal with my friend, and we had a good laugh about the mix-up. This occasion taught me the importance of verifying information, especially when it comes to planning important events or visits. It also reminded me that mistakes can happen, and it's essential to stay flexible and adaptable in such situations. One. Why do some people not trust information on the internet? Some people may not trust information on the internet because of the prevalence of misinformation and fake news. The vast amount of content available online makes it challenging to verify the accuracy of information, leading to doubts about its reliability. Additionally, the lack of accountability and anonymity on the internet can contribute to skepticism. 2. What jobs provide information to others? Jobs that provide information to others include journalists, educators, librarians, customer service representatives, researchers, public relations professionals, and data analysts. These professions involve gathering, organizing, and disseminating information to serve various purposes. 3. What is the difference between email and phone in terms of providing information? Email and phone differ in their means of communication. Email allows for written communication and is often used for providing detailed information or documentation. On the other hand, the phone enables real-time verbal interaction, which can be more personal and immediate for conveying information. 4. Which do you think is the better way to provide information, by phone or by email? The choice between providing information by phone or email depends on the context and preferences of the individuals involved. Email is suitable for formal documentation or when detailed information needs to be conveyed, while phone calls are ideal for quick communication or when a personal touch is required. 5. How do people determine the accuracy of information? People determine the accuracy of information by cross-referencing it with multiple reliable sources, verifying the credentials of the information provider, and assessing the reputation and credibility of the sources. Fact-checking and using trusted platforms play a crucial role in determining the reliability of information. 6. How do people make sure they are getting the right information? To ensure they are getting the right information, People use critical thinking and analytical skills to assess the credibility of sources. They seek information from reputable and authoritative sources, verify facts, and look for multiple perspectives on a topic. Engaging with experts and seeking feedback from trusted individuals can also help in obtaining accurate information.